Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Autumn is here and it is the perfect season to slow down, get cozy and enjoy some relaxing activities. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long week or just embrace the autumn spirit, there's your soul. Start by transforming your home into an autumn haven. Add a touch of seasonal decor. Think warm-toned blankets, soft lighting, and autumn-scented candles like pumpkin spice or apple cinnamon. These cozy activities are sure to warm you. There's nothing like the smell of baked goods to get you in the autumn mood. Spend an afternoon baking some delicious treats. You could try pumpkin bread or apple pie to fill your kitchen with those comforting fall aromas. Autumn is the best time to get outside and enjoy the crisp air. Take a peaceful walk through nature, breathe in the fresh air, and admire the stunning colors of the changing leaves. Embrace a quiet moment with your favorite book and a hot drink. There's something magical about reading when the weather cools down, with a soft blanket and some ambient music in the background. I just love it. Get creative with the autumn-themed DIY projects. Whether you're making leaf garlands or painting pumpkins, it's a fun and fulfilling way to bring the fall spirit into your home. End your day with the perfect cozy movie night. Pick a feel-good film, make some popcorn, and snuggle up under a blanket. It's the ideal way to wind down and embrace the cozy vibes of autumn. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite autumn activities are and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay cozy and enjoy the season.